Hi folks, we're going to show you how the service integration capabilities of ROMA Connect help enterprises open up their data and backend services in the form of APIs and simplify the process of sharing data and providing services today on Cloud Focus.
Here is a scenario of creation of internal APIs using ROMA Connect. In this exercise, we use ROMA Connect's service orchestration capabilities to create two application APIs exposing the backend data source, one for employees and other for managers and employers. Composite APIs are created by combining data APIs and function APIs. These APIs are then published on the internal software marketplace for the developers to subscribe and use. Let's see how we can build these two APIs for applications step by step. Let's get started by going to the ROMA Connect console and choosing the ROMA instance. In this case, we are going to create a custom backend. In fact, we are actually creating a data API. Create a data API for the employees. And add it to the employees app. This will be a post request that creates a check-in record of an employee. Next, we associate the data API with the backend database. In this section, we write an operation that inserts the employee check-in information in the database, which is a data API backend persistence, followed by which we will save, deploy, and publish it. Let's move on to creating a custom backend for the function that is combined with this data API. Again, for the employees. In this case, we need to write a proper function to connect to the employees API. And then we save, deploy, and then finally publish it. During the publishing, we select the app authentication too. Later, the employees app will be updated with the API. We edit the API here. In the request header, an employee ID is entered. The API Connect page currently shows app employee as the front-end API. We can bind function API to the app employee and test it. So we can see the API returns correct result. The employee checked in at 17:48 on June 5th, 2022. We can run a check-in API multiple times. Now, let's create a custom backend for our employer. Once again, we create a data API where we name the returned result as result, followed by saving, deploying, and publishing the API. Let's do the same thing and create a function API. For this API backend, the result will be obtained from the data API. Let's publish it. We will bind the employer's function API to the employer's app. Let's test the API. We can view the check-in information of an employee by entering an employee ID and the corresponding date. ID is the ID of the employee who checked in today. A corresponding result is returned, including the employee's first and last check-in times. Lastly, we can manage authorizations for the application. After developing the applications, we can grant permissions to the other developers to use the apps. At the same time, we can also view applications shared by other developers. We can test these application APIs too. This is the end of our demo that illustrates creation of internal APIs using ROMA Connect.
Thanks for watching this episode of Cloud Focus. I hope you like it. Please scan the left QR code for more documents about Huawei Cloud technologies and the right QR code for more help in our Huawei Cloud Developer Forum. There's more to come, so stay tuned. I'll see you next Wednesday.